I-edit na lang yan eh.
16 minutes na eh.
Wala na. Wala na.
Hindi, okay ba? Paandar pa eh.
Maandar pa eh.
Okay ka pa, di ba?
Okay pa ako.
In your eyes, yeah, in your eyes.
Eye in your eyes? Ano sabi? Eye
in your eyes.
In your eyes.
In your eyes.
Tatil.
Tatil. Tatil. Di ba sigarilyo yun? Irish? Alam ko to pero ano?
Santot galit no?
Galit na ba? Babot nga no?
Tumusok na ilong mo.
Tumusok na ba? Tumusok na? Ay oo nga! Demonyo na! Demonyo na! Demonyo na yung sense sa akin. To touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest thing to heaven that I'll never be, and I don't know the floor right now. And all I can miss is the moment, and all I can wish your life.
Ano ba?
Ikaw na. Parang
Hello, hello guys. I'm back.
Dalawa na tayo nagkakanta.
Can't touch you. I can't believe that you and how did I ever find you? You were the dream that saved my life. You were the reason I survived, baby. I never thought that I could. So as much as I love you, I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could. So as much as I need you, love you.
Vance, ano ba yung I never thought na pamilya?
Ha?
I never thought.
Ano ba yun?
Never thought.
Oh,
Can I
yeah.
hold you? Good as my lips on the sky. You are too beautiful for you and I. You are the dream that never dies. You are the fire that turns inside,
Steven.
baby.
Puro yun ah.
Thought that I could.
Puro yun.
So as much as I love you, I know it's crazy, but it's true. Oh, I never thought that I could be so as much as I need you.
Sino pa ba magka-text sa akin? Sino po?
Bakit nagagalit na?
Hindi naman. Ano lang. Tama ano.
Nag-i-guards.
Nag-iinarte. Wala eh. Tama inarte. Basta ako. I'm a basketball. You are the sunshine in the sky. You are the spark in my eyes. I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. It's crazy. But
Ayun na! Narinig na!
I never thought that I could be someone as much as I need you. It's crazy. But I love
Love you!
May pang-snap dito.
Hindi kaya busy ako eh.
Nga pala no.
Nagdagan na yung pass mo. Nagdagan na.
Nagtagal na, dalawa na fans doon. Yes! Dapat wala maganda pa.
Do.
Yes, I did.
Ulit.
May fans ako dyan eh. May fans ako dyan.
Inulit mo.
Hindi, kaya nga, may in-snap ko na nga. Ba't tayo nyo magkanta?
Hindi,
Hanap ka nga kasi ng mga...
Dapat, di ba,
Hanap
fans?
ka pa ng mga...
Medyo love song ng konti.
Medyo love song ng
Kasi
konti.
puro kayo mga love song.
Hindi, love song na kayo, medyo love song pa ng konti.